why not head out with me to our latest project, and we'll catch you up on a beautiful two-story pool home on a cliff front that the guy started on about 2.5 months ago. And I'll go through it with you, and together we'll have a look at our latest project, and it's going to be a beautiful one, so buckle up and we'll catch you up on site. Okay, as we're approaching the job site, this is going to be a two-story infinity edge pool home that's going to have 3 full baths, 2 half baths, and 3 bedrooms. It's on a dead-end road, so there'll never be any traffic for these people, and there's never going to be any noise. It's only going to be birds, some farm animals, about a 15-minute ride to town on a paved road, and all the best amenities you can possibly ask for. So we'll approach closer and do some video, and I'll catch up with some other information regarding the property, as well as some other properties that we have available for you. We'll catch up with you soon. Well, just approaching the job site now, and typically these homes are taking about 9 months to completion, from breaking the ground to actual getting your keys and moving in. Of course, that depends on weather and other anomalies such as that, but they move right along. This one here is a little bit over 2 months under production, and already they are working on the second floor. While you're enjoying this panoramic view of this spectacular build, let me fill you in on a couple of our properties. We've got about a dozen properties with similar views, starting at about a 1/4 acre, working up to 1.5 acres, and properties like this are available from around $45,000 on up. Of course, that depends on location and quality. So if you like what you've seen, and you've been considering relocating for quite some time now, whether it's to move into a place where the economy is still very stable, better quality food, a much more peaceful environment, a simpler lifestyle, yet hosting all the amenities of good internet and plenty of great people, I'd be glad to show you around. I've been here 18 years with my family. It certainly is home. It's the only place I look forward to coming back to, even after all of our off-road adventures. I'd be delighted to show you around, introduce you to some great people, see if this would be a place that you'd like to call home. So many others have. Till next time, it's Old Barry.